Congratulations to everybody. Swipe is finally in profit. What's going on, everybody? I'm Sha. This is the Dollar Tree. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Appreciate everybody for watching. Get rid of that algorithm that YouTube puts out by hitting that like button. This is going to be a pretty good video. This is the update that I'm pretty sure a lot of people who subscribe to the channel have been waiting for. That update is Swipe. Also, we're going to be talking about Ethereum, all right? So, Ethereum, $1,675. Yes, Ethereum is broke out, so I'm going to talk a little bit about, what I said in the last Ethereum update, the video. You can go back in the catalog and check it out. It was Ethereum all-time highs incoming. I pointed out two scenarios. One of them did come to fruition. Again, after months and months and months of trepidation and consternation, Swipe has finally gotten us to the promised land. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. Shout out to everybody who has followed along the way, or even maybe have even participated in the free trade setup that is Swipe. Now, yes, the Algorand video is going to be coming soon. I am well aware of that. Not much really to report other than, well, you know what? I'll wait until it is time to discuss that. But in the meantime, regardless, nonetheless, let's start with Ethereum. So, Ethereum put in all-time highs, $1,675. I'm going to put it here on the screen for you guys. And what does this mean? Nothing really. So, particularly in this video, what I want to do is, of course, I want to point into the video previously. I guess I'll put a screenshot of the thumbnail with the title here for you guys, to let you guys know where my mindset was, why did I think that, what was I saying on the charts. And I got a question. If you got in on Ethereum, or if you were already in on Ethereum, let me know in the comment section. Put a 1 in the chat. Congratulations. But yes, so let's talk about prognostication. I firmly believe Ethereum is going to go much higher. Plain and simple, it's going to go much higher. It's actually going to go to, I don't know. But what I will say is this. $3,000 Ethereum is up next. Listen, call it, book it in, write it down, do what you need to do. Even if we get a pullback to $1,200 or $1,000, that typical cryptocurrency pullback, make sure you have cash on the side waiting for, not financial advice. If, I would make sure that I would have cash on the side in the event of a pullback in cryptocurrency, especially if there's indications that there's going to be a continued move higher after the oscillators cool off. Okay. Now, with that being said, $3,000 Ethereum is what I see in the cards for Ethereum. Let me know in the comment section if you agree with that. I'm not talking about $3,000 to cap the bull run. I'm just saying that is a realistic mark for someone who's looking, not financial advice, again, we don't do that over here, but for someone looking for a realistic, and presumably looking for entry into Ethereum, yes, a $3,000 price target for a buy-in and sell out 70, 80 to 100% gains is, in my opinion, realistic. All right. Now, let's get to the crux of the video, which is finally, after a long wait, we're talking about a level of dismay and uncertainty that has led a lot of people to feel like it wasn't going to play out. But the reality of it is, because of the low market cap, the large price swing down to $58, what are we talking about? Swipe, of course. That large swing down to $58 is not, it's not uncommon in cryptocurrency, all right? I've even stated that along the way in those update videos. So in this video, we're going to go take a look at the chart. We're going to see where we stand, what type of profits we are in at this point in regards to Swipe, now that we are or should be above our accumulation line. Now, also, once we get to the charts, which we'll be getting to in a moment, I'm going to be talking about price targets, where I think the potential of Swipe can go during the rest of this bull run, and also let the charts tell us where are the immediate targets for Swipe as well. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at the charts And yeah, let's see where we at, because, you know, we're already doing well on that other free setup. And another thing, I'm going to say this one last time. 50 likes, 50, and I will drop a monstrous trade setup for you guys. Now, you must hurry up, because a lot of these coins are already off to the races and off and running, right? Look at Sushi, all right? Sushi is out of this world. Uniswap is out of this world. So go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and keep your eyes focused on right now what's going on Swipe. Let's take a look at the chart, all right? All right, here we go. Swipe on the weekly. Let's give ourselves a round of applause once again for muscling this out. Okay, on the weekly, as you can see, this rounded bottom was pretty accurate. Yes, that's it. It's a weekly. It was a rounded bottom. You know, that is a typical cryptocurrency pattern that you can identify. Okay, so here's a quick tip for anyone interested in getting into cryptocurrency. One of the best indicators in a bull cycle of an upward trend or an investment opportunity is a rounded bottom. Of course, you're not going to be able to identify the potential of a rounded bottom early on the way that I did until you have more and more time into the market and you have foresight. All right, you develop a skill in trading called foresight. But nonetheless, rounded bottoms are definitely good indicators as far as opportunities. That is a tip. All right, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Yes. Okay. Rounded bottom on Swipe on a weekly. Not much to see here. You also see this downward sloping line that I drew as the price started to descend. And I'm gonna go down to the daily and down into the maybe even down into the 12-hour to get closer to this line, because that is the last update that I gave on Swipe regarding the bullish to bearish scenario. You know, someone in the comment section, as I switch down to the daily, someone in the comment section, you know, previously I talked about how Swipe was pretty much trending in a downward direction. It was trending bearish, right? So in the update, I also drew a downward sloping line explaining that in order for you to get back bullish, become bullish again, and complete the rounded bottom of Swipe, you would have to get above a certain price point. Okay, so down here on the daily, you can see much better these lines that I've drawn. You can see that we are well above our accumulation line here at about $1.70. Hold on, let me put it here on the screen for you guys. $1.07. There you go, blue box to the right in the corner. $1.07 was any price below $1.07 was our accumulation range. Okay, accumulation zone, excuse me. Now, like I stated before, why did we do this? Not everyone has capital. Not everyone has thousands of dollars sitting on the side to get into the market and reap the benefits of cryptocurrency investing. So I prompted this partial strategy. It is not the entire strategy, but I implemented even half of the strategy for you guys here on the channel with Algorand and Swipe to give you guys prominent opportunities to make substantial gains on larger amounts of money. All right, so here's the daily for you guys. Let's zoom down in. As you can see, currently the price is $1.76. And the high for the day was $1.86 that you can see up here where it says fiat price, $1.76 in the top left of your screen. 24-hour high, $1.86. Okay, let's go down to the 12-hour because I want to talk more about this breakout point, because this breakout point is important to the previous setup. Okay, let me draw a circle around the area that I'm going to be discussing for you guys. Okay, here we go. This is the area that I'm going to be discussing with you guys, because as you can see, previously I drew a line. You can see a line, this line right here that I'm going to highlight. And this line I drew to say if the price was to trend higher and bounce from here, that would be resistance. You would have to break that. That was 82 cents. You can see it to the right in the blue box. It was from 70 cents up to 82 cents. But nonetheless, the line indicated that that 80 to 82 cent area was the area you needed to break to complete the rounded bottom from the previous setup and become bullish for Swipe. And I stated that if you wanted to go back to accumulating, you wanted a verification of a bullish a bullish turn in swipe, and that's what you got. You got a bullish change in the market in swipe. You crossed into 82 or 7. You crossed above $78 into 82, and then you had the opportunity to start buying again. Let's go down to the 8-hour now. Let's get a closer look at exactly what's going on here. Okay, now down here on the 8-hour, what you can see as not only was that a breakout from that 82 cents, you actually had a retest. So I'm going to get rid of this circle, this previous circle, and I'm going to draw a new circle of the retest for you guys. Give me 1 second. Okay, here you go. So this is a direct retest of that rounded bottom right here. Accurate retest. That is where it bounced after the retest, and that is exactly where it trended higher. Okay, now you can see this horizontal line that I'm going to highlight for you guys at $1.70. There you go, to the right in the blue box. Our accumulation line was broken twice, but you were met with resistance, which is fine. You know, it happens, but nonetheless, finally, we are in profits when it comes to swipe. Now, let's go down to the 4-hour and let's see just how much profits we are in when calculating from our accumulation line. All right, there you guys go. 62% profits. Yes, it took us 3-4 months to get here, but nonetheless, within that 3-4 month time frame, you had the ability to save week after week, check after check, to get money into the market, to pile into one asset and maximize your gain on larger amounts of money. So instead of you earning 200% on $200, $300, you had the opportunity to earn 62% on, you know, $1,200 or thousands of dollars, whatever the case may be. Oh, actually, you know what? I almost forgot. Let's talk about where the price of this is probably going to go. And it's actually pretty simple. Let's talk about the immediate target, and then I'll move on to the higher targets. Now, to do this, I'm actually going to zoom back out to the weekly. Let's go back out to the weekly because I want to talk about the immediate target, and then I'll give a prognostication on where the price could potentially go, because we are in the bull cycle and the altcoins are running right now. You know, a lot of people would say that we're not in altcoin season, but listen, altcoins been doing what they've been doing, period, whether we're in the so-called season or not. Okay, so back out on the weekly, no need to draw Fibonacci. We could just look directly to the left to the previous high to determine where our measured move is, plain and simple. Okay, so this is the weekly chart, and the measured move is going to be the candle body of this red wick that I'm going to circle for you guys over here to the left. All right, so here you go. I have it circled here for you. That is the candle, and that is the candle body that we're going to look to. All right, now I'm going to draw a line from the candle body straight across, and that's going to give us the price for the blue box in the right corner. All right, let me switch screenshots for you guys. Boom, here you go. All right, so that is our price target right here. You can see it to the right in the blue box. That is our measured move, $3.82. All right, $3.82 is where we want to go in order to, $3.83.9. $3.83 is where we want to go. That is the immediate measured move for swipe, and I'm going to tell you right now, it's going to get there. Okay. Now, do I expect to just blast right through $3.83 and continue higher? No, I don't expect that. I always expect some type of resistance right before or slightly after it. So let me give you two more scenarios. I'm going to draw two just, random lines here. You're either going to break out to the upside. I'm going to show you two screenshots. You're either going to break out to the upside like this and then retest in this screenshot. All right, I would expect the price to do that. You break up and down in the retest. That's screenshot number one. Or you could, of course, break through and go straight up as well. Or you can actually get rejected at the line and then come down and form a flag or a cup and handle and then continue higher. All right, so this is the second screenshot. that I want to show you guys. All right. So those are the two scenarios I'm looking at. Either way, the idea here is to immediately reach $3.83. And once we reach that point, however long it takes, maybe it'd be a few days or a few weeks, I will come back and give an update and assess where the price may go. If you might want to take profits, etc., down the line. All right. So, you know, these types of strategies, you know, more longer term strategies are, in my opinion, are more beneficial. They allow you to properly assess risk to management. They allow you to properly assess the market and the asset itself. Okay, very important. But nonetheless, that's pretty much all I have right now for you guys for Swipe. Let me zoom back out. Let's go look at this amazing, this beautiful, this absolutely this is good, man. Again, congratulations to you guys. Round of applause. And again, 50 likes. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. We get 50 likes on this video, I will definitely drop a monstrous setup for you guys. Okay. Remember the Zilliqa setup that I talked about? Yes. I definitely have one in the chamber. Not many, because to this point, a lot of the coins have already taken off. Let me get my final thoughts. Plenty videos to do, plenty videos to get done on the channel. Of course, I have to update, you know, on Algorand. But final thoughts is basically, crypto isn't what it was in 2017 and 2021. All right, this is not pick a coin, you know, sit back, you know, earn a bunch of money. It's not that type of party anymore. Crypto is much more established. It's much more ingratiated into society, and that's going to continue along the way, meaning that these tremendous gains are going to be farther few in between. They're gonna subside. All right, it's not going to be as much of it over time. A lot of these coins are going to dissipate and go away, and that's just the reality of it, because we actually have to put this technology into use, into implementation, into our society. So therefore, you must be very scrupulous when it comes to identifying opportunities and investing in cryptocurrency going forward. It is no longer just a haphazardous, you can't just be haphazardous and then you're investing in cryptocurrency. Okay, so let's talk about upcoming videos. Of course, Algorand update. Oh man, Algorand, yes, but Uniswap, Jesus Christ. I mean, this is what people get into crypto for, right? 600-700% gains in 2 and 3 months is ridiculous. 600 and 700% gains in months on your money. You know, the people who are allowed to put substantial amounts of money into market, understanding options, margin, and leverage in the market, they are the ones who benefit because they understand these dynamics. But nonetheless, yes, I am going to talk about Uniswap, Sushi, maybe even Yearn Finance. Definitely have to talk about Algorand and the Algorand update. We've got a couple requests for me to see about a few things. I did not get to the DAO in the DAO suite of products, but listen, I am aware of Stake. I am aware of XDAI and all of those products, and I'm just going to go out here and tell you, they are ahead of the game, okay? They were in on this early. They were one of the first, if not the first, to lead with being able to collateralize Ethereum, all right, and take out loans and different things of that nature. They were the first, one of the first to do this. All right, so I don't think it's a necessity for me to go down the suite of products. I would rather direct you to someone who particularly dives deeper into that aspect. Over here on this channel, I'm more specific as in regard to the investing aspect of it, the investing and trading, and even company dynamics and roadmap, because we want to understand the asset that we're investing in. All right. But that's all I got for you guys today. Appreciate you guys for watching and being patient with the channel. Might actually do a back-to-back video this week. I might actually go right into Algorand tomorrow and update everything else as well. And I also might go into that other YouTube video that I discussed in regards to a YouTuber jumping into cryptocurrency and what it means, not only for us, but for not only for us as we get ingratiated, but everyone else as they start to grow and understand exactly how cryptocurrency is the now and the future. I'm Shah. This is the Dollar Tree. Appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, break the thumb on that like button, break it, give it a Hadouken, a Shoryuken, fatality that thing. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Appreciate everybody for watching.